What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. If you've watched this channel for any length of time, then you know that I do cover all kinds of robotic mops and vacuums. Robotic mops and vacuums are great for a surface level clean, but if you're looking for a deeper clean, then you may want to check out the Osotek Horizon H200. This is an upright vacuum cleaner that can get under all of your heavy furniture. It gets super close to corners and edges, and it does both mopping and vacuuming at the same time. We're gonna take a look at the Osotek Horizon H200. Big shout outs to Osotek for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what all we are working with. Right off the bat, we've got a brush, and we've got a little hook here with a knife so that we can clean out hair and stuff like that. Next up, we've got a warranty card, a quick start guide, and a user manual. We've got an accessory container and a mounting clip. So this is going to be the main body of the unit, and you can already see it definitely reclines 180 degrees here, so it does flatten out so you can get to those hard to reach places. Next up, we have our handle. We've got a few buttons here as well. We've got a roller brush mechanism here, and we have our roller pad, so our mop pad there. It looks like we have some special hard floor cleaning solution. We've got our power cord, and we have our charge base. Next up, let's go ahead and get this set up. So we're gonna remove the roller brush cover. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove this little protective casing on the inside. We should be able to slip the mop pad directly over the roller brushes, like so. So I found that this goes on a little easier if I kind of tilt it to its side and then just kind of press everything on. Don't want to force anything, but definitely give it a firm press and then lock it in place. Now the mop pad is in place. It does give me a little warning here saying that as long as this is dry, it's going to vibrate a little bit, but once it's completely wet, it'll operate smoothly. We'll go ahead and replace the roller brush cover. All right, that's back in place. Then we just need to go ahead and install the handle that will click in place. On the front of the unit, you have a clean water tank, and you would just open up right there to put in either the cleaning solution or the water, or a mixture of the two. It does have a max fill line. You can pretty much fill this all the way up. You do have the dirty water tank, so this will fill up as you are cleaning your floors. You do have a little roller wheel here. That way, whenever you have this fully reclined and you are cleaning at 180 degrees, you're not going to scratch up your floor with the body of the vacuum. So like that, you have a speaker here for voice control. You can actually use voice control here. On the handle, you've got a power button, a mode switcher, and then you have the button to turn on the roller brush on the bottom. If we do go ahead and turn this on, auto mode, you've got an LCD screen here. It gives you all the different modes here, so you can switch between the modes, and it's going to announce it so you know which mode it's in. We've got turbo mode, suction mode, and auto mode. Water absorbing mode. There is even a self-cleaning mode. This is going to let me know whenever I try to turn on the brushes that it doesn't have adequate water, which I think is really cool that it announces that. That way you remember to put some water in there. To me, the game-changing feature here has to be the 180-degree lay flat technology. This can actually sweep and mop your floors while laying totally flat. That's thanks to the water and gas separation system, which can achieve 180 degrees. This is great for cleaning under your dining table, under your couches, your love seat. I have a few really big pieces of antique furniture, and I've had issues with robotic vacuum cleaners getting stuck. So I like having the flexibility of being able to maneuver this system by hand, getting under those precious antique pieces of furniture. I don't have to worry about a robotic vacuum cleaner getting stuck under there and damaging this expensive piece of furniture. Being able to mop under furniture is also another game-changing feature. How many times have you moved a couch or other large piece of furniture away from a wall and it just has tons of crud and yuck underneath that piece of furniture? That's not an issue anymore with the Osotek Horizon H200. You can just reach under that furniture and get it nice and clean, including being able to wet mop under that furniture without having to move it. The most frustrating part of most robotic vacuum cleaners is that while many of them can get close to edges, they often leave the corners dusty with little particles and things. The Osotek features a double roller brush system specifically designed to clean your edges and corners with the ultimate precision. The large and small roller brush work together for maximum cleaning. The front brush is smaller and placed at the front of the machine, which means it can get super close to the wall, not leaving a gap or space like other vacuums. The right side roller brush achieves near 100% cleaning of the wall's edge, while the smaller left side roller brush with a smaller width can get closer to your edges. I also just really love this extra wide brush roll. It just means that vacuuming and mopping takes less time, and I'm able to get those terrible spills up much quicker. The unique brush design increases the floor contact area by up to 4 times, meaning you can spend less time cleaning up messes. With the Mint to Clean system, there's no need to get out a towel or paper towels to pre-clean up a mess. You can clean up spills with the Osotek Horizon H200. If you're like me, you've got little kids running around, which means that maybe apple juice or Capri Sun has been spilled on the floor and you weren't notified, and now it's had time to dry. This system is able to get up those dried spills with ease. You don't have to worry about scrubbing hard to get up those dry spills and stains. Also really like the separation of the dirty and clean water tanks. It makes cleaning up this unit a breeze, and this also does a great job of separating the dry particles and the wet particles. With a 4000 milliamp hour battery, you're going to be able to get up to 35 minutes of cleaning time, which is plenty of time to clean up spills and things like that. And it also gives you enough time to clean up your entire kitchen floor. I was able to clean up multiple rooms before the battery drained. The charging base also provides a fast charge. I was able to charge the battery fully within just a few hours so that I could continue cleaning. Maneuvering this vacuum was very easy. The roller wheels seem to glide very smoothly across my floor, and the body of the vacuum swivels so I can go any direction that I want to go very easily. The touch controls up top are very easy to access and use, and also I really enjoyed that LCD display, which gives me information on my battery charge. I'm able to switch modes there. It also lets me know when my water tank is running low and needs to be replenished. Disassembling the various parts and cleaning this vacuum cleaner was also very easy. Both of the tanks had a simple push button to release them. All I had to do was unlock the roller brush to remove that for a deep clean. Obviously, the Osotek Horizon H200 is definitely going to save time and effort when compared to a traditional broom and mop. When compared to robotic vacuums, this provides a much stronger suction power, can clean larger wet and dry messes, and can get into the corners and edges for a more thorough clean. When compared to a steam mop, this can vacuum and mop at the same time, won't scald you from heat, and you don't have to worry about a cord. Overall, if you're looking for a super efficient and easy to use smart dry wet vacuum cleaner that can go under all the furniture in your home, get into every nook and cranny for the ultimate clean, then the Osotek Horizon H200 is definitely going to be hard to beat. I'll be sure to include links in the description so you can find out more about the Osotek Horizon H200 and pick one up for yourself today. This is normally priced at $499.99 at the Amazon link below, but it currently has a $150 coupon. If you act now, you can get it for as low as $349.99. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.